discuss an amazing topic that is about plastic. So the subtopic is about reuse plastic and other waste material. So let us discuss about what is plastic. So plastic is a synthetic material. Of course, everyone know that plastic is a synthetic material and it is not made up and it is not a natural material and it is made up of cellulose. The 2 points about plastic is a synthetic material and plastic is made up of cellulose. And the subtopic is about reuse plastic and other waste material. So how we can reuse plastic and how we can decrease the plastic material in our daily life. So first of all, we will learn all these points detailedly. Plastic are non-biodegradable material. So non-biodegradable means actually there are two types. First type is biodegradable material and second type is non-biodegradable material. So first of all, biodegradable material means the waste material which can decompose natural process. Naturally which decompose is known as biodegradable material. So naturally, so what we can say, example, peel of fruits. So your mother asked to peel off apple. So the waste material of apple you will throw outside in soil. So it will decompose naturally. So this material is known as, this waste material is known as biodegradable material. Now you have understood about biodegradable material. So second type is about non-biodegradable material means which cannot decompose naturally. Which can't decompose naturally is considered as non-biodegradable. For example, which cannot decompose naturally? Example, plastic. So plastic takes thousands of years to decompose and it is not decomposed naturally. It will take thousands of years to decompose. So this is come under non-biodegradable material. So hence we can conclude that plastic are non-biodegradable material. And plastic is very easy to produce and use. So nowadays industries are producing plastic and we are using in every day-to-day situations in our daily life. And third point is about generally we throw out of this plastic material after consuming. For example, when your mother went to market to buy vegetables. So your mother went to market to buy some vegetables. So she will carry some plastic covers or plastic bags to consume the vegetables in a cover. So after consuming vegetables and she will back to her home. So after using the plastic covers with vegetables, she will keep vegetables in fridge. She will keep vegetables in fridge. So after that plastic covers will be thrown outside. So your mother will throw the plastic covers outside. So because of that, she will throw plastic covers outside. So this will take thousands of years to decompose. So this will take thousands of years to decompose plastic. So this one leads to environmental pollution. So this leads to environment pollution which is very harmful for plants and animals and even us. Now we will learn how it is harmful for animals. First of all, we will learn how harmful to animals. So for example, this is a river. This is a river, or you consider as this is some lake. This is a lake which contains water. So your mother threw a plastic cover or plastic bag here. This is a plastic cover. This is a plastic cover which is on the surface of the water. So as you know that in lakes some aquatic fishes and plants will live. Grasses, plants and animals. So we will learn how it is harmful for plants and animals and plastic. How plastic leads to environmental pollution to plants and animals. So this plastic cover. So as we know that plants and animals need oxygen. The main element is oxygen to live any living organism in an earth. So the plastic cover will be on the surface of the earth. So how the oxygen will come enter into this lake? Inside the lake there is some living organisms. So how they can take oxygen element into this river? The plastic cover is stopping to take this element inside the lake. So because of no oxygen, the plants and animals will die. They may cause death. So because of this, plants and animals can lose their life. So this leads to environmental pollution. Understood, friends? This will lead to environmental pollution. And so we have to decrease this plastic material. How we can decrease? We have to reuse them. So as you know that we have learned, your mother went to market with some plastic covers to buy some vegetables. So after, instead of throwing outside the plastic covers, she can reuse, she can keep safe in a shelf so that she can use in next week to buy some vegetables. So we can reuse plastic daily. So this may cause some decrease in environmental pollution. So we have to use them in a creative manner. So how we can use them in a creative manner? So we can make doormats or hangings with plastic. So this in creative manner we have to reuse plastic to decrease environmental pollution. And it is, so by reusing this plastic, it is good and healthy habit for children. So this is a good habit for children, so they can learn some moral values. Okay friends, now we will learn how we can reuse plastic in a creative manner. So we can reuse plastic in a creative manner. So we can use plastic in a creative manner. So we can make doormats, wall hangings, handbags and so on. So wall hangings also we can make some by using plastic or other waste material. So this may be in creative manner we can use it. And it becomes a habit of proper utilization of our leisure time also. So some people will be bored, so much bored because of there was no work to do. So instead of wasting time, they can utilize time by using this plastic and reusing this plastic in a creative manner by making these materials, handbags, doormats and wall hangings, etc. So we are advised to use steel plates and glasses instead of using plastic. So in functions, many people keep plastic made up of steels. So in functions, many people use plastic glasses and plastic plates also. So instead of using plastic, they can use steel, which is good for our health also. So it can decrease plastic in our environmental pollution. So we are advised to use steel plates instead of plastic. Isn't it, friends? So the government has to take some actions to decrease environmental pollution. So the government has to advise some points to decrease the environmental pollution. So this is about plastic. So we can reuse plastic and other waste material. Not only plastic, we can reuse another waste material. For example, you have some jeans pants. So with the help of your jeans pant, you can make handbags or doormats you can make. So this may be useful to your daily life situations. So you have to reuse in a creative manner of any waste material. So this is about today's topic. So we have to reuse plastic and other waste material in a creative manner, we can say. So in next video we will discuss another topic. So up to now, okay guys, if you have any doubts about this topic about plastic, then you can clarify your doubts in comment section. Okay guys, bye.